Welcome back to my channel. My name is Arielle, and today I'm really excited to share this hair with you from Beauty Forever. We're gonna try it on without any other adjustments. Let me tell you what I did to this hair. I personally like to do my first shampoo just out of cleanliness, right? I used the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. I left the hair in a downright position and I just washed it like this. Now usually I would use this and I would be brushing as I go. I didn't do that. I didn't even have this in the kitchen when I washed this hair. After I did my first shampoo just to clean it, I used the conditioner like I said. I never used the brush. I came right in here and I sprayed this John Frieda Frizz Ease leave-in conditioner. While the hair was wet, I just all over. Brush through it lightly with this brush. I let it dry overnight, and this is what we have. Do you not see the definition? Hairline. The hairline. Oh my goodness. I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't this. There's so much to talk about. The parting. You see this? It's going all the way back here. So deep. The knots are gorgeous. The hairline is perfect. The lace, I feel like we could totally cut this lace off and just wear this wig and be done with the video. But we're gonna juice her up just a Sorry, I'm looking at it. I feel like we may use a little bit of the Ruby Kisses cream foundation just to better match it to my skin tone. Now underneath this wig I do have my wig cap. I'm not sure if you can see, but so when I push it back, this is how it's looking right now. My wig cap's about right here. Whether you choose to bleach it or not is totally up to you. You don't have to. I personally like to do it. I knew I wanted to wear this wig for a long time, so I was like, let's just do it. But it's totally up to you. We're gonna go ahead and cut this lace and get this baby on. I like to part my wigs on my canvas block because it helps me to get the part super straight. I decided to do a middle part just to showcase all of the parting space. I went in with my little spray bottle. This is just water, and I'm spraying the front of the hair so that I can just contain some of that frizz. All that touching and playing, and it did give us some frizz, and we don't want that. So I'm using my big brush, not a diamond brush. Big brush, I'm gonna take some Garnier Fructis Curl Scrunch and apply that to the wet hair. And then I'm gonna use big brush again. And I'm saying big brush because obviously we're not doing dimming, just because dimming brushes are gonna give you great definition. There's no debating that. But I kind of like this untamed wild type of curl. With the hair sectioned out of the way, I can go in and do a little cut. Now this was a little difficult for me. I don't know if it's because I'm using these shears. I couldn't find my small scissors. But what I'm trying to do is a zigzag cut just so that the lace will lay flawless when we do a glueless install. Now I could definitely have went back in and cut a little bit closer, but since it's glueless, it's not going to be that big of a deal. And I am going to zigzag as much as I can all the way around. Can we stay For the part, I decided to do a little bit of concealer because I was going to wear my wig cap. If I were to cut these combs out this wig, I would have just put the wig on my head. But since I didn't want the combs pulling out my real hair. So I put a little bit of the Ruby Kisses cream foundation into the part. And then I'm taking that same foundation lightly around the hairline just so we don't have an ashy cast. The Nairobi foam wrap is going to do two things. It's going to contain the little hairs. With this being a natural hairline, I don't want the hairs to just be standing up. I don't want them glued down or gelled down either. So this is going to give us a nice light hold. It's also going to make the lace adhere slightly to our skin. Now it's not like a strong hold. It's nothing like a glue, not even close. But it is good for one day, wear it, take it off at night, do it again tomorrow. I'm using a mascara wand to just shape the hairs in the direction that I want them to go. Now, I didn't want this to be hard, like I said. So I'm being light. I'm not being perfect. I'm just moving them. They are not going to be stiff once you take off your headband. So you'll definitely be able to fix it. It doesn't really matter what you do right now. Really, you could just skip this part. But I like a little bit of, you know what I like.
If we on a right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go on.
Okay. I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves, and I knowing your attention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone, in the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone flex and hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weather. We fight retreating this, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody stressing that.
If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could go all night.
I was so excited to wake up this morning and put this wig on. It's everything I thought it would be, plus more. Quick, easy install. Conditioner, brush through it, let it dry. I don't have it glued down. I'm gonna glue it down. But right now, I bobby pinned these sides in just for this look. I'm gonna cut the combs out. I'm gonna glue it down. But I want to show you just how easy, quick, convenient, natural, from ear to ear. This hair is not hard. I love this hair. From the curls to the lace, 10 out of 10. I'm not going to tell you again how much I love it, but just know I love it. I will leave all the links to this Beauty Forever hair in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been thinking